the band that were 3 but now at 4.
Hello.
Are you enjoying it?
Yeah, I love it. It's absolutely amazing.
What's it been like for you guys having a new member?
It's been awesome. He's just fitted in straight away, and he's just one of us now, isn't he?
It's funny though, because we become quite good friends with him at boot camp. And for him to be put in was wicked. So
have you been practicing a lot to get the sound right and everything?
Yeah, we've had to practice. Obviously, the other groups have been together for a lot longer than us, so we've had to put in extra work. But hopefully, it'll pay off. Really.
And of course, there's the wild card option as well. You want everyone to vote for the group?
Yeah,
that's right. We're really close to Times Red, so we really want them to succeed at the weekend. So yeah, fingers crossed everyone votes them.
Are you nervous?
Yeah, I'm nervous. I've got every single emotion inside me for Saturday night. Nervous, excited, scared, terrified, buzzing, everything. Can't wait.
The good news is that you've got the best mentor in the business. Thank you, Alan. I was about to say that happens to be here today. Louis.
Okay. Alan, that's okay. I am very happy with the 3 acts.
The girls are already outside.
The girls are already outside looking for them. It's not for you, Alan. It's not for you.
Yeah. Thanks, Louis. All the very best to you and your groups and everyone as well. Laura, you got the weather for us?